Yeah. Okay.
So how did it go? Both it wasn't that serious.
Yeah, the impact of the accident wasn't serious at all. This man has been walking around without blood in him. I'm telling you, it was through the doctor's examination that we noticed that this man has shortage of blood, and he has been walking around with it freely.
And he was not about it.
I mean, it's possible. It's possible that he's not having that chance or time to go and check himself at the hospital. But thank God it happened, so we know what is wrong with it.
This is indeed a miracle. So how is he?
Yeah, we donated blood for him. By the time we left, he was getting himself.
Thank God. I am happy everything went successful. So how is Faith?
He's with him in the hospital. I'm all right.
Are you okay?
Yes, my eyes are turning me. I think maybe it was because of the blood I donated.
Are you serious? You didn't eat before you donated your blood?
Doctor said we should eat before doing that, but I wasn't having appetite to eat anything. I said, let me do it maybe after when I come back home I eat. But I changed my mind.
Really?
And
this is what people just let me pick it to you. I'm going to mix water and wait for you. Before I make everything. I couldn't have a shisha tea. It's not like, well, not a work.
And
Nah. I have told that I will not be able to join him in his business. It's very simple. I don't want to work for him. I want to start up my own business. All I need is capital. Exactly, I've told him. Mom, I have told that long time ago, but he kept giving me excuses of me being patient till you come back. And I'm wondering. Exactly. Why wait till you come back? It's not that funny, Mo. I know why he's doing this. He's doing this because I am not his biological son. That's the only reason. I prefer me to work for you. I don't know what I want to do. I don't want to work for you. It's very simple. Okay. I don't really know how he wants to do it, Mom. If you want to talk to him, that's fine. But that's what he said. Yes. It's okay, Mom. If you want to talk to him, I just hope he listens. Alright, Mom. Bye.
hey,
Your Faith. How is he? How is he doing now? Oh, thank God. Thank God he's getting better. Why are you sounding so emotional? What's it? Hold on now, Faith, stop this. Stop this, eh? Why are you blaming yourself for this? It's not your fault. At least you should be happy now that he's recovering. Yes. You don't need to bother yourself about anything. Please, take it easy yourself, okay? Just know that you're not alone in this. Here, home. He's asleep now. When he came back, he was not feeling too well. But I've taken care of that now. Faith, don't worry, I'll tell you. See, Hope sees you like his sister. So you don't have to worry. You're welcome. Yeah. You can always count on me, no problem. Just take care of yourself, okay?
Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. Succeed. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. 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 Echi ihe gadima. Succeed. Oh, succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Life is full of ups and downs. Today you are up, tomorrow you could be down. Trials will come, temptations will come.
Thank you, Peace.
What?
You are awake.
Yes, I'm awake.
So how are you feeling now? Hope you're better.
Yes, I'm strong now. Thank you so much.
Please, why are you thanking me?
I'm thanking you for everything.
Well, I spoke to Faith earlier and she asked me to help her thank you. She said that you played a great role in donating blood to her father and you really helped her in the hospital. So she's grateful. So on behalf of Faith, I say thank you.
You guys are just funny. You know, our father is my responsibility.
Yeah, you're right.
What?
Hope, do you have a girlfriend?
Girlfriend? No, I don't. You know, I don't need anything to interfere in my life right now. I'm just an ordinary man for now.
Okay, and
What if at the end you find out that I'm your brother?
what's that?
It's okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, anything?
Do you have any idea if your father had a wife before he met your mom?
Oh, how did you know?
I guess for your mom to just live in abroad without minding you people here. I'm just thinking.
Well, my mom loves traveling. So I grew up to know that my mom loves traveling. So it's one of her hobbies. But this time around, she's staying long because her younger sister just gave birth. So that's why she's staying back. If not, she'll be back by now. She doesn't stay more than 1 month.
Oh, I get it.
And for the facts that you asked, well, to tell you the truth, yes, my dad was once married.
Oh, really?
It's just that most times he doesn't like talking about it.
Why?
I don't know, maybe because it gives him sad memories. Well, I don't really know much about the woman. Because my dad said she died during labor.
Oh. And what of the child?
I don't know. Whenever I try to ask my dad about it, he feels emotional. So I don't like it. So most times I just don't talk about it. Well, that's the information. He didn't tell us nothing more, nothing less. Just told us he died.
I see. Wow.
Sir, I need to answer this call.
Okay.
Private. Yo, just read up to me. Does he come? I do refunding. Well, it's up to you.
We live in a world where the head becomes the tail in no balance. Hey, we live in a world where the tail becomes the head. Life in no balance, yo. Where the good ones are oppressed, oh, and the bad ones appear to be blessed, oh. Life in
I hope they're so. Should I get your breakfast out?
Oh, no. I'm on a program. Have you forgotten?
Oh, that's true. I forgot.
Yeah. Have you had from Faith this morning in regards to her father's condition?
Oh, yes. She said that he's better than yesterday.
Okay, that's very good. But try to bear her a visit this morning. You know you are the closest person she has now.
I'll do that, sir. Immediately I'm done with my work here.
Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can go. You will succeed.
Ibah, have this well. Have it. Well, I'll be coming from time to time to check on you on the thing.
Hey! This money's for what, you know? Eh?
Yeah, it's just to use it to take care of the baby and to take care of yourself. Okay?
Thank you so much for this thing. I really appreciate. Baba, what is it?
Who? I think so.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Well, let's say thank you.
This birthmark makes him look very handsome.
Guys, I was so it.
Well, I should be on my way to work now. I'm already late. See you later.
You can cope. Don't give up hope, or one day you will succeed. Succeed. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. 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 Echi ihe gadima. Succeed. Oh, succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Ooh. Oh. Iwe only line adima. Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can go. You will succeed. Don't give up hope. Oh, one day you will succeed. You will succeed. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. 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 Echi ihe gadima. Succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima.
Friday, you will not believe I'm yet to see Lucas.
I'm telling you, he keeps giving me a series of excuses.
Then he shouldn't have called me in the first place. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I just have to meet Sandra up and I know what all of this is all about. Yes. That's what I will do.
Yeah, wow. Oh, poor trip. I was just on driver. Right.
Hey, what are you discussing about? Because
Yeah. Guy is just so annoying.
babe, if I were you, I would not bother about seeing him. I mean, that guy is just taking you for granted.
Of course, I won't even call him again.
Yes, to hell with him. I support you. In fact, to hell with Sandra as well.
No, I must find out. I must find out what this is all about. I have to speak to Sandra since Lucas is not forthcoming.
Baby, why are you so keen on seeing these people? Like you committed a crime or something. Or is there something you're hiding from me?
Hey, why would you say that? If I'm hiding anything from you, why would I get you involved in the first place?
Okay, I'm sorry. I just don't like the way they're playing you around. That's all.
Well, I don't think anybody's playing anyone here. I think maybe he traveled. He doesn't know how to tell me. So that is why I have to meet Sandra.
Babe, I'm sorry to say that. I'm sorry for saying that. I'm so sorry. But I just don't like the way they are playing you around.
Well, I don't really know what's going on, but nobody's playing anyone around here. I think maybe he traveled and doesn't know how to, tell me he's not in town. At least we're friends. Why?
Babe,
I don't know.
don't bother calling him, okay? Or Sandra. Right?
It's okay, I won't.
Yeah, don't. See, you have to give me a good reason how that money takes finished. Yes.
Like I clear you reason how money take finish. As my mother now, you don't turn wife overnight. How that thing be your business?
It is my business. It is my business. Because Oga gave us that money to start a living. As you can see, I am pregnant for you. Our child is coming. So I have to use that money and start business. I want to do something. So give me the money.
Look at boss your small head now. That money don't finish. Yes now, money don't finish.
Are you joking?
Sure? It don't finish now.
Just tell me you are joking right now. How can you squander such huge amount of money in just 6 months? Dear God. Give me my own show with the money. Let me go and do business. Don't do that.
I don't even know why this tired even they listen to you. I don't know. Because I don't invest Saturday like this. Everything investment. See, I tell you, that money, I use that money to rent house. I call you furnish the house, make a standard to my own taste too, not be your own tastes. I can't use the rest to do business. I invest time for business. You dey feel am?
Hey! You don't speak your grammar finish. I don't want to know what you are saying. Better give me the share of the money. Give me my share of the money. Let me go and do business.
See, you go calm down. You understand? You see this thing when you carry. I don't tell you me you remove this thing. You not agree. I don't tell you me you remove this thing, you not agree. Thank God that your nonsense sister I don't come carry you. Me when I go that side, I go do when I go see. I don't move.
Where you go? Come and give me my money. Come and give me my money, bro.
I dey enter your eye, abi?
Enter your eye, which
No, sir.
Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. If you don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadema. Succeed, oh succeed. Echi ihe gadema. Life is full of ups and downs. Today you are up. Tomorrow you could be down. Trials will come. Temptations will come. In this life's journey, some people will walk against you. They want to see you fall, to see your downfall. But you must try to stand tall.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm actually coming from the hospital.
Yeah, about that. I'm sorry I didn't call to tell you I was coming home. I was actually doing that when you came. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I am happy that you've forgiven your father. He's fine. He's very, very fine. I mean, you need to see the joy in him. As I talk to you right now, he's so proud of you. As his daughter. Yes. You know, he's so rejuvenated by your acceptance. And on behalf of him, I am saying thank you. What?
Fruit.
I'm sorry. I guess I got carried away by how you've shown me love all this while from the first day we met.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, but please don't try that next time, okay?
But what if I say I'm in love with you?
This is the funniest joke I've ever heard this year.
Well, this is not a joke. It might sound crazy and weird that a woman is telling a man how she feels about him. But the fact remains that I'm in love with you.
I want you to stop this and change topic, okay? Let's talk something else.
What else would you want me to say? Do you expect me to lie about my feelings?
When did you start nursing all this in your heart?
Ever since the day my father came here and you played the role of a big brother by reconciling us, you also acted the way a genuine lover would. And that really got to me because as it stands, you're the only one that knows me.
This is not the time for this, please.
But did you lie to me when you said you didn't have a girlfriend?
I thought I knew that.
Why is it so difficult for you to understand I'm in love with you?
Faith, it's hard for me now.
I'm sorry. It's my fault for falling in love with someone whose interest is in another woman.
That's a lie.
I had a conversation with Peace yesterday, and she told me how she likes your kind of person, how you're every woman's dream. I'm a woman, and I know when a woman is in love or not.
Please, kid.
What?
Look, do you have a girlfriend?
What's that? A girlfriend? No, I don't. I don't need anything to interfere in my life right now. I'm just an ordinary man for now.
Okay, and
We live in a world.
Oh, you're back.
Yes, are you going out?
Yes, I was actually going to get some things.
Oh, okay.
Do you mind? I wanted to join me.
No, I have to prepare dinner before Dad comes back.
Hey, that will tell me now. We have a lot of variety in the fridge, so if that comes back, you will make his choice of food and he might go into him. So let's go. Fool. Stop behaving as if they're maltreating you in this call.
We just have to be fast about that too. I really have to prepare dinner.
Not of you. If not you, let's get a selfie.
Madame Doris,
Very.
leave Mr. Hope alone.
The tea.
Child. What did Mr. Hope do to you that you hate him so much, yo? Dislike him so much, yo? Madame Doris, because Rabu Mr. Hope, Congo Merito Wiko. Every day, na Mr. Hope. Every night, na Mr.
Lucas, I am talking to you. You're not answering me.
And what exactly do you want me to say? What do you want me to talk? Eh? Do you think I will be so foolish to tell Sandra what transpired between us? No, now, I'm not going to do that thing now. She has a leaky mouth. The whole world go here. Eh? And besides, if I tell her, she not go be in love with me. She won't love me till now.
Then what did she tell Kelvin that made him so furious?
Big go. So that question. Did you ask him and he refused to tell you?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
And I mean, he gets furious and he yells, but as if he doesn't want me to know anything.
I'm missing a while of that now. And I know. Big it on boss. Okay, see. I will try answering her. Then get back to you. Whatever the case, maybe I will get back to you. How you shakan?
You better do. And when you talk to me, you bring it down. Okay?
Sure. No problem. You got a fake here to leave me.
Mr. Hope, you accuse him falsely. You lie against Mr. Hope. Madam Doris, why now? It's just a matter of time. Everything will come out in the open.
You didn't tell me you'd be taking me out.
Well, I just wanted it to be a surprise.
Anyway, I appreciate.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hope,
Yes?
thank you for giving me the opportunity to take you out.
You're not the boss now. Yeah? Whatever you request, I will do. I can never turn you down.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Do you know how much you defended me in this house? Yeah? I will never do anything to hurt you.
Oh, please forget about that. I just want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Have you ever professed your love to someone, someone who never expected such a thing from you? Were you scared? How did you feel? Did you feel they were going to turn you down?
Yeah, I will just, if someone I love, I will just hunt the person and peace. Hold on. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
If you're planning for us to be lovers, it won't work.
Look, Hope, I've been losing these feelings for days now. I've really been finding it hard to talk to you about it. But I just had to have the courage to say.
Hey, please, you just have to stop saying this. Okay? You have to stop it. You're like my sister.
But I'm not your sister. We're friends, and friends can be lovers.
Okay, what if you are my sister? I mean my blood sister.
Thank God I am not your sister. Hope, don't tell me you were scared of my father or my brother.
Dad. What is going on here? Please, you know what? Let's just end this discussion, okay? And maybe some other time. No, let's just end it. As I am now, my head is hot. So I need to go in and cool off my head. Because if I don't, by tomorrow morning I might crash. Okay? I need to go and rest. Anyway, thank you for this. Oh.
You were sister, for God's sake. Who is your sister? Not your sister. Well, at least I said my mind. I'm relieved now. I think I'm kind of ashamed of myself, more and more.
Hello? I've been trying to call you. You're not taking your calls. What happened? What? He did what? He tried to stop you from scolding your sister? What is wrong with that housekeeper? Oh, you slapped him. Very, very good. I am glad you slapped him. In fact, you would have done worse. It's fine, don't worry, save it. I'm coming to the house. I'll meet you up very soon, okay? Just relax, I'm coming. What nonsense.
I can't tell what to do.
What rubbish. Can you imagine?
But one day, this life must balance, yo. One day, I got man, they wouldn't
Hello, peace. I've been trying to reach out to you since. If I say I'm fine, I'll be lying to myself. I just needed someone to tell me what to do because I didn't know what to do. I just feel like to kill myself. Yeah, this is not about phone discussion. Okay. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you.
The ones with the head, oh, no gets the cap, oh. The ones with the cap, oh, no gets the head, oh. This life in no balance, oh. This life in no balance, oh.
Kelvin, there you go again. What makes you think that that guy is a gold digger?
Because he has succeeded in winning her heart and of course my father's as well.
Heaven, your father that I know is a very smart man, bro. I believe you must have been studying this guy ever since this guy started working for you guys in your house.
Studying what? My father is barely around. What is there to study?
It seems you don't trust this guy.
Don't. That guy is up for a mission. I can feel it. And I will not be alive to let him succeed. Never.
Then wisely keep your eyes on him.
Bomba to bomba. Of course I'm on it.
That's good. I know you're smart as your dad as well. So, tell me, how far with Sandra? You know, ever since you haven't given me any details about. Okay, you have to take it easy, alright? Anyways, you have to take it easy on yourself, okay? Let's go then.
Some people will walk against you. They want to see you fall, to see your downfall. But you must try to stand tall so that you don't fall. Iwe onlanya dema. Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope, oh, one day you will succeed. Succeed. Don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed, succeed. Echi ihe gadema. Succeed, oh, succeed. Echi ihe gadema. Owanka, oh, Uadiego. Some people will single you out to push you.
Is there anything you want to tell me? Okay. I'm meeting.
Yes, Daddy, but I don't want you to get mad. Though.
What have you done now?
Nothing. Promise me you won't get upset with me.
Fuck. We could not done anything wrong. Why would I end up upset with you?
Just promise me you won't be upset with me.
If my friend, go ahead and say what is happening. I'll stop behaving like a mother.
Daddy?
Yes.
Is it right or wrong to be in love with the right person?
Even you yourself, you know the answer to that question. And then, so who are you in love with this time? Who's the lucky now? I know you are scared because of your ex, huh? But you know that didn't deserve you. Huh? Any young man that lost him because of your father's words and not because of who you are, it's not worth having you. Because when the truth are done, he will turn his back on you.
I know that. I know you did that to protect me from getting hurt and to protect the family's name.
And I like, you will tell me this time around. I'm listening.
Dad,
Mm.
I'm in love with hope.
joking on. Tell me you are joking.
I'm not joking, Dad. It's the truth.
So is that why you insisted I give him a job?
No, man, that makes him bad. I found out about my feelings a few days ago, so I had no choice than to tell him.
Oh, you are even the one that professed love to him?
I did not profess love to him. I just told him I loved him.
I thought my brother would be wise when it comes to issues concerning love. And this is why I don't like male households. Look at it. Look after me here. And succeeded in making Sandra pregnant under my roof. Now it is your turn. You and Hope.
No, that's nice. Even when I told him, he did not even say anything.
What do you expect him to say? Under normal circumstances, a man should go to a woman and, you open with her. But in your own case, the reverse is the issue. You want to tell him you love him. What do you expect him to say? It's better he says nothing. But clear this table now, not my appetite.
That's it. Hey, now, Daddy, what you promised me that you were not going to be upset.
But not on issue like this.
Take up.
I am not eating again. Daddy.
Apple, your favorite.
Okay.
I am sorry. I didn't bother to know your whereabouts all these years. I know you are very angry with me. I have disappointed you in many ways. And also to know how you are feeling.
I'm fine. As you can see, I'm coping well. I'm doing all right without your assistance. Now that you've seen me with your eyes that I'm doing okay, I'm doing well, I am sound and healthy, you can leave.
What?
Yes.
Just like that?
Yes. Just like that. You know, seeing you brings back memories of how my mother passed, of how you were not there for me all these years. You abandoned me when I was just 16. You sent me away to go live with an aunt who never cared about me but herself.
Felix, I know I've made a mistake, but I'm here to rectify all my errors. Please.
This what? The time I needed you the most, you were not there. Now I am matured to take care of my responsibilities by myself, just like I've been doing. So I don't need you right now. You can go, mister. Please, leave. It's too late.
It is not too late, Faith. I am your blood, a repentant father who is pleading before his daughter for forgiveness. Please, you listen to it.
Last time I checked, I do not have a father. Even if I did, that was before my mom passed.
I understand, but you just have to let go. I saw a sincere repentance in that man's eyes this morning. Pure repentance. I mean, he's regretting all he did. You just had to find a place in your heart to forgive him, because you can't continue living like this. If you will be sincere to yourself, you will know that you will still miss it as a father.
I do. Well,
Okay. At some point, he was good to us. But when that witch came into his life, everything changed. She separated me from my father.
It's never too late, my dear. It's never too late. Remember, you used to tell me that I should always forget about the past, drop the bitterness, and face the future. Now you're not practicing what you're preaching to me.
But what if I say I'm in love with you?
Man. This is the funniest joke I've ever heard this year.
Well, this is not a joke. It might sound crazy and weird that a woman is telling a man how she feels about him. But the fact remains that I'm in love with you.
I want you to stop this and change topic, okay? Let's talk something else.
What else would you want me to say? Do you expect me to lie about my feelings?
When did you start noticing all this in your heart?
Ever since the day my father came here and you played the role of a big brother by reconciling us, you also acted the way a genuine lover would. And that really got to me because as it stands, you're the only one that knows me.
My dad asked me to write a proposal for him, and he wants me to submit it immediately. So I need your help.
Why don't you get Kelvin to do that? Why me?
Well, on my way back home, I went to see Faith. We had a long discussion. In that discussion, we discussed about you. And guess what? She told me good things about you. She was really emphasizing on how smart and intelligent you are. That notwithstanding, I've actually noticed that in this house, that you're very intelligent and smart. So that's why I want you to help me out. Please leave my brother out of this. So are you going to help me?
It's okay. Go ahead and supply me with the details.
Thank you so much. You know what? Let me just get my laptop so I can show you. Don't go anywhere. I thought you said you don't like literature.
I do. I used to be the best student in literature when I was in secondary school.
Really? So who's your favorite author?
Chinua Achebe.
Really? So what's your favorite Chinua Achebe's quotes?
Among the evil, the act of conversation is to get it highly. And the proverbs are palm oil with which words are eaten.
Well, interesting.
And what's yours?
The world has no end. What is good among one people is considered an abomination with others.
You do not know me, St. Duchess. I'm a changed man. I've learned that a man who makes trouble for others makes trouble for himself.
I just want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Have you ever professed your love to someone, someone who never expected such a thing from you? Were you scared? How did you feel? Did you feel they were going to turn him down?
Yeah, I would just, if someone I love, I would just hug the person and peace. Hold on. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
If you're planning for us to be lovers, it won't work.
Look, Hope, I've been nursing these feelings for days now. And I've really been finding it hard to talk to you about it. But I just had to have the courage to slide.
Hey, please, you just have to stop saying this. Okay? You have to stop it. You're like my sister.
But I'm not your sister. We're friends. Some friends can be lovers.
Okay, what if you are my sister? I mean my blood sister.
Thank God I am not your sister.
Why is Sandra doing this? What has she want from me? And if Dad finds out, he will be highly disappointed in me as his son. As if that is not enough, my sister is coming with her own that she's in love with that gold digger. And eventually if Dad accepts it and they become couple, my plans of becoming in charge of his property will die. Everything will be taken away from me by that low-class boy. What will I do now? Maybe I should tell Dad about Peace's secret. That I hope is her boyfriend. Yes, Mother. Mother knows here this as well. She's the only one who can fight in my favor. What? Mom just called. Hello, Mom. Greetings to you. Yes, we're fine. I was just about to call you now before you called. I'm really shocked to see you call waiting. Oh, maybe she's sleeping. That must be the reason for that. How many times did you try calling? Oh, maybe she's sleeping though. I will deliver your message first thing in the morning. Okay. Yeah, so Mom, the reason I wanted to call you, yeah? Around here,
so many things are just not going on well. I cannot be here to allow such thing happen, okay? Though I'm trying my best to see how I can curtail it, but my sister is not having it. It's about this boy, this guy here, our cook, Hope. That boy has bewitched my sister. I don't know how. No, but I'm trying to say he's probably using fetish on my sister. He's gone fetish. Because I don't see the reason my sister fell in love. Out of all the men in this world, is that boy. He is still in love. I don't know. It's definitely fetish, that's what I'm saying. Same way, Mom. I'm shocked to hear that. Exactly what I'm trying to tell him, but she is not seeing it from that angle. He's just a gold digger. Okay, Mo, I trust you. Okay, alright, bye. Good night. Yeah. Let's see how that will play out.
Yeah, believe me when I say it's over 10 years since we spoke. The last time we saw face to face and we spoke, he was very angry with me because I told him bluntly to go back and resolve issues with his family. Ever since then, I've been trying to get his new number without success. So if we have his new contact, just send it to me. I will appreciate it. Okay. All right, please do that. I will appreciate it. Thank you. All right, send me word to your family. Good. Good night. Good. Good.
Dad, you're still awake.
Yes. And why are you not sleeping, man?
I fell asleep, but I just warm.
Worried. Why, if it is over what you told me about being in love with Hope, my answer is no.
It's not about it.
So, what then?
Daddy, it's about Kelvin, my brother.
I fear. What about?
Kevin is worried. He feels you don't love him because he's not your biological son. And he doesn't know how to express it. He feels you care only about yourself and me.
But even you know that is not true.
I know that, but I know that's not true.
Though he's not my biological son, but that doesn't mean I don't love him or I don't mean well for him. You understand? The last time for a couple of times I sent him to go and supervise, projects for me. What did he do? He failed me. I even asked him to come and work alongside me in the office. He's not interested. So what do I do? What should I force him?
Have you asked him what he wants to do?
Yeah, we discussed about it. We discussed the whole thing. He said he wants to start running his own business.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's fine. Daddy, why don't you give him money to start up his own business? At least that will give him a sense of belonging. He will stop asking you for money. He will start using his own money when he starts his business.
Well, I don't trust him to manage his own business.
But Dad, just give him the benefit of doubt.
Right there. You see, I said we discussed about it, and he said he has some connection with some fashion houses in Dubai, and he wants to deal with them directly, and he'll be. Do you know how much he said he did it? 150 million.
What?
Shut it.
That's too much.
I promised to give him 80 million naira. First, I'll give him 50 to start with. Then, if I see the way the business progresses, I can now give you another installment of 30 million, making 80. But he's not happy.
To me, fact, when you're getting.
Okay. Well, that's enough for Kevin. Let us for the other part.
I'm fine.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm so sorry I haven't been able to come see you ever since you told me about your dad.
It's okay. I know your new job won't have allowed you to.
My dear, very stressful and breathtaking. So how is it faring now?
Well, he's doing okay. I was actually on my way to the hospital to give him some food and to also spend some time with him.
Does it mean you'll be going to the office today?
No. The thing is, I took excuse from my boss. Right from that day it happened. Yes, when I heard about his condition. And he gave me 2 weeks off.
That's so thoughtful of him. I was getting set to go to the office. And then I deemed it fit first to come see you, just to find out about your dad's situation.
Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. It's okay, let's just go together. Hi.
One day now, one day. This life.
She should know her class. If she is mad, that's her business.
And stop.
If she is mad, you take her to the psychiatric hospital.
And stop shouting at me. I'm not the one who got you angry. Huh?
Okay.
Who are you talking about?
I am talking about the girl I saw you with at the ATM. You better warn her. Warn her.
And mind the way you talk to me. Yes, because I'm not the one who got you angry. Why are you ranting like Nkitala? Eh? And the person you're referring to is Faith, and she's not mad.
Oh, what was I expecting? Of course, I knew you were going to support her. Birds of the same feather, they flock together. Well, let her know her limit. Because the next time she tries that nonsense, I am going to knock her down. Foolish people, why you went to have me get out of it? No. Foolish family, fine, bad, and people make